This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John Decker. Spacious and bright first-floor condo located adjacent to Cypress Point Golf Course. Enjoy captivating views of the nearby fountain and the rolling fairway of the 8th hole from every window. Located just minutes from the Cypress Point Club House and just a short drive to the vibrant shops and restaurants of Virginia Beach's town center. Freshly painted interior and professionally cleaned carpets. Eat-in kitchen with timeless white cabinetry and appliances. Open living room west/9-foot ceilings. Gas fireplace and stone hearth. Grand primary suite west/walk-in closet and oversized bathroom west/dual vanity, walk-in shower and jetted tub. Bonus office or nursery west/gorgeous golf course views. Updated ceiling fans and light fixtures. GE washer and dryer. New roof recently installed by the Condo Association. Fire suppression sprinkler system for added safety. 2 dual garages west/lifts and additional off-street parking. Contact a listing agent today to arrange a tour of this truly special property. For more information, review the details below or contact John Decker at 757-560-1676.